Okay guys, with this video I will show you how you can get unlimited free traffic, lifetime traffic using video marketing without making any video. You don't have to make videos. All you have to do is watch this video step by step, and I will show you how you can get unlimited free traffic, lifetime traffic for free. Okay, with this method, guys, we will use Vimeo. Vimeo, this is a video channel, and we will use vid.me, another video channel, and of course we will use YouTube. Okay, so how this method working? All you have to do is make a free account on YouTube, VidMe, and Vimeo. Then all you have to do is visit this link. This is a free video that you can download for free. I will put the link below this video so you can visit, and you will find these packages, free videos that you can download, and all you have to do, download one package every single day, okay? One package per day, and upload. When you download, you will get a package, 4 or 5 videos, free videos. All you have to do is download this package per day, and upload to Vimeo, VidMe, and YouTube. Okay, one package. Remember, one package per day. You need 16 days to upload all these packages, and very important to put your affiliate link. Okay, if you can promote any link or any affiliate program, you can get traffic to your ClickBank affiliate link, or your to your CPA offers. You can promote your landing page using this method. Okay, the best part of this method, this is a free videos. All you have to do is upload videos to your video channels, and you will get unlimited free traffic, lifetime traffic, unlimited lifetime free traffic to your affiliate links all the time. Okay, you will get unlimited traffic. You don't have to pay for traffic anymore, and the reason, you will get traffic daily to your affiliate links using this method. Okay, so very important, you can download one package per day, okay, and upload to your video channels, and of course you have to do this tomorrow and download package number 2 and upload to your videos channel. Very important, don't forget to put your link below every video you upload to your video channel. Okay, this is very important. The point from this method is to get traffic to your link, right? So please don't forget to put your link below every video you upload. I am using this method 10 years for now. I am using Vimeo, VidMe, and YouTube and more video channels. You can go to YouTube and found more. You can go to Google and search for more videos channel, and you will find a lot of videos channels that you can upload videos for free and getting traffic, unlimited traffic from these channels. Thank you for watching this video. I will put this link below this video so you can visit and download this package, one package per day. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Good luck. Thank you very much.